There are about 2 species of Messapicetus, one being Messapicetus longiricitosus from Italy and Messapicetus grandius from Peru. Additionally, there is a third potential species from Maryland known, indicating that Messapicetus inhabited the North Atlantic and southeastern Pacific. It lived around 9 to 13 million years ago in the Miocene epoch. A complete skeleton is currently unknown of Messapicetus, and an accurate size estimate is not possible. However, based on the size of the skull and comparisons with modern beaked whales, Messapicetus may have had a body length of 3 to 5 meters or 10 to 16 feet. Although the brain case of Messapicetus is very similar to most modern beaked whales, numerous differences can be seen in the snout. The snout is extremely long in Messapicetus and much longer relative to all modern and most fossil beaked whales. Additionally, Messapicetus still has a full set of teeth, each with a strangely flattened root. All but one species of modern beaked whales retain a pair or 2 pairs of short tusks on the lower jaw, which Messapicetus is like the living shepherd's beaked whale, which retains a typically small set of teeth. The skull of Messapicetus shows many of the hallmark characteristics of modern toothed whales, suggesting that it could have echolocated and here in a similar fashion. A relatively high number of specimens of Messapicetus grandius have been reported from a thin section of sedimentary rock in Peru. This may be a fossil example of the behavior of biologists call site fidelity, or the continued inhabitation or return of a particular animal species to a given place or area. 2 common reasons that animals exhibit site fidelity are 1, their prey are concentrated in the area, or 2, they may congregate there for breeding, as some modern beaked whales do. The large sample of skulls of Messapicetus grandius is notable in that it shows that Messapicetus grandius was sexually dimorphic. Large male skulls with tusks and similar female skulls lacking tusks. It is closely related to modern beaked whales that dive hundreds of meters to chase after their prey. Seafloor living squids, fishes, and crustaceans. However, one remarkable fossil suggests that an ancestral species of these whales found food near the water's surface. In 2014, on the southwestern coast of Peru, paleontologist Oliver Lambert and colleagues unearthed the skeletons of an ancient beaked whale or zeniped and numerous sardine-like fish preserved inside the whale's chest and head area. Lambert and colleagues describe the fish scales as showing little to no signs of stomach acid exposure, suggesting that the whale had gorged on these fish hours before dying and sinking to the seafloor. The fish skeletons in the head area may have been the zeniped's vomit. Paleontologists calculate the ancient whale's last meal to have been composed of 40 to 60 fish, each averaging 39 centimeters or 15 inches in length, and weighing 110 grams or 14 ounces, with the total weight of 16 and 25 kilograms or 35 to 55 pounds, similar to its modern-day relatives. These fish, if anything, like their similar-sized modern-day kin, fed at or near the water's surface and